The factories are trying to entice young workers. There are in Vietnam, the average worker, I believe it was 30 or 31 in the factory. Previously, that was people in their 20s. In China, average factory worker is 40. They cannot bring the young people in. They would rather work in a shop versus working on the factory floor. So these companies right now have to spend more money in order to get them in. They're putting cafes, they're putting yoga. And what they said in here was literally that these people, they're looking at the Kardashians and they're saying, hey, I suddenly don't want to work in a factory. It doesn't seem like a nice environment for me. So the factories are struggling. So what does that mean? They got to increase the salaries. If they're increasing their salaries, input costs have moved higher and they are going to translate into higher prices for everybody globally. Everybody globally. Your stuff is going to be inflation entrenched.